Hey, hello, it's me, Jimmy T, married with PMU 101 online course, okay? Thank you so much. You sign up, at least you sign up. Okay, now, of course, a lot of secret and information in the pay session. Now, I just recently add a couple bonus, okay? Couple bonus. Now, this is the computer workstation. I work on the online course, okay? It's take me so much time. Now, mature skin. Now, this is especially me. A lot of my customer is mature skin, which is mature skin. It's easy to deal with if you know how to deal with the skin. But personally, I love mature skin customer, which is usually they are 55 years plus. Now they come on time, they very respect you, and then they not super picky, okay? And then usually they tips me at the best. They know it's a lot of artists, they don't want to take down, somehow. But hey, this is high demand, this is money maker.
Mature skin clients are typically age 55 and above, and for Jimmy T, they make up the majority of his clientele. Once you know how to properly perform ombre powder brows on mature skin, you'll see just how rewarding this market can be. Jimmy T loves working with these clients because they're punctual, respectful, easy to communicate with, drama-free star, and best of all, they're in high demand. Many of them also understand the value of tipping and appreciate quality service. This is truly a money-making opportunity, yet almost no one talks about it until now. Jimmy T just added a brand new section in the PMU 101 online course dedicated to working with mature skin, giving you the knowledge and confidence to serve this often overlooked but incredibly valuable market.
AI to help me to make video faster and faster, so to deliver the message to you. Now, my class have one feature. You can email me if you have any question, of course, in the pay session. Now, some people try to get away around with it and try to ask me a lot of detailed questions. I still answer it, but hey, please, my contents with these prices, unbeatable, okay? You just maybe one customer to make everything back. Now, the people might confuse. I have two prices. One is 1 month access, okay? Another one is 6 months, okay? 1 month, if you need something quick, okay, 1 month access, get the information, good to go. But some people need longer. Now, ask question, I might either make a new video or reply you fast.
My online course recently integrated AI, ChatGPT, to help speed up content creation and improve the learning experience. Without the help of AI, it would take Jimmy T much longer to deliver high-quality knowledge to you. One unique feature my course offers that most others don't is direct support from me. If you have questions, you can email me directly at marriedwithpmu@gmail.com, and I'll do my best to help. This course has 2 pricing options. 1 month access, perfect for those who want quick information or want to try the class before committing. 6 month access, ideal for brand new PMU students who need more time to learn and practice. This course is packed with value, covering topics that other classes don't, all at an unbeatable price. In fact, you only need 1 client to make your money back. But to keep creating valuable content, Jimmy T needs your support. Let's grow together and build your future in PMU with real skills and real guidance.
So confused because there's so many products in the market. Everyone say that they're the best. And you see my video, I buy a lot of different products, okay, to figure it out. Now, once you know, it's simple, it's that easy, okay? But I need to break it down. I cannot in the beginning tell you so much, so I leave this, the bonus, okay? This is a bonus at the end. Another one called hybrid brows. Hybrid brow is what microblade with nano machine hair stroke technique. Now, I don't want to teach nano machine hair stroke, but when you're facing some customers, hey, I want 1 stroke here, 1 stroke there, which is the microblade, cannot cover it, you can combine these 2 techniques, okay, together. Nano machine hair stroke, same thing. I learned it, I perform it, but not suitable for every customers. Of course, no one will tell you, okay? A lot of class in the market, they nano, people crazy about that, but when you learn it, when your customer come to you, you're not able to perform it because especially me, is mature skin. How? So I need to figure it out. If they want stroke, combine microblade with a little bit nano machine hair stroke, but I still recommend they pick Ombre Powder Brows. Ombre Powder Brows for 50 plus years old. Of course, you can apply the same knowledge to someone get overwater skin and some like really thick skin, something like that.
Jimmy T has tested tons of products because everyone claims to be the best. But which one really is? In my class, you'll first learn the essential basics, and then I've saved the deep, advanced topics for later, so you don't get overwhelmed. Bonus, I've added a hybrid brow lesson, combining microblading and nano machine hair strokes. This isn't a full nano course, but it gives you a solid introduction, so you'll know when and why nano doesn't work on every skin type. Before you spend big money on other advanced classes, this course helps you make smart decisions and shows you the secrets no one else talks about.
Recently, I developed tattoo. Okay, from tattoo, I understand more, so combine the tattoo technique into the PMU. Okay, there's a lot of knowledge added together. Can you imagine when you perform, you get stuck, you need to have a solutions, right? Now, check this out. You can sign up, even though you haven't paid yet. You can look what information I contained. Okay, adding so many now. Some secret is the dilutor as well. Dilutor, I have a couple video. I think I put it back in the pay session, but I didn't develop even better. Okay, but you need to watch the video like how I break it down. In the future, you might able to create your own dilutor. Okay, the dilutor is you need to buy a couple different things to add it together and then make your own, which is so cheap. And once you understand, in the future you might able to develop even better, okay, on your end. Okay, but you need to know what each ingredient, what is it good for, can reply at a tattoo technique as well. Now my next door is a tattoo shop. Sometimes we hang out outside, we ask them question. Of course they do some PMU as well on the side. So I do tattoo on the side, they do PMU on the side, so we share some information, which one is wrong, which one is right, which one we need to develop. Now, no one really talk about that, but only in the pay section.
Jimmy T recently started doing tattoos too. In the US, tattoo and PMU use the same license, and real tattoo experience helps a lot. Sometimes in PMU, things don't go as planned, and you need a solution fast. That's why PMU techniques actually come from tattooing, and Jimmy T combines both to improve results. He's always learning from tattoo artists to find better techniques and fix problems. Because even if you're doing everything right, one small mistake or the wrong product can ruin the whole result.
Station, now this is the machine, just the tattoo, just the stencil, make you headache already. I have a couple video talk about the stencil. Oh my god, take me like almost like 1 month or 2 months to develop. Okay, just the stencil by itself. Okay, if you make a good stencil, you can practice better. Now this is another, this is of course behind the scenes a little bit messy. So this is the board you see me over there. Now this is my workstation. Okay, I have two bed. One is for like heavy customers. Like in United States, you might have some people coming in like really like over 300 pounds now. This bed, another one right there is 200 pounds, and I have another one folded one. I think you might able to see like right there somewhere. I don't use it much. 250 pounds, no problem, but heavy customers, be careful.
Always choose high-quality PMU furniture and make sure you know the weight limit for each item. This is especially important when helping senior clients lie down on the PMU table. Safety always comes first.
Of course, my class is growing, but I need you to support. as well, so I can buy more stupid product to try it. Now, I don't want to attack or against any company, okay? If they have their concern, but the real world, what we using, we need to tell you. Some of them, yeah, it's good for practice, but hey, some of them, you know, even though they're good brand, but you don't know how to use it, you don't know when to use it, it's useless as well. End up you will spend so much money in this. I think like 6-7 years, I spent more than maybe from the class equipment, this and that, more than 50,000 US dollar, more than, I think it's closer to 100,000. Okay, that crazy. If you don't have a solution, but my class try to disclose a lot of information to you, which is, for me, is, from my perspective, of course, I want you to buy my class. Okay, if you not ready, at least a subscribe my channel and then leave a comment under my video. It's help for the YouTube algorithm. Now, one more thing I want to disclose. This one I've been struggling. I don't want to tell you because like you might share my video to someone else. Someone is what happened. Share my class, like a couple people. Okay, this part I cannot control, but you need to think about, okay, I need you to support. Okay, if you don't support me, how I can get that much, buy that much stuff to share the information to you? Okay, think about it this way. And yes, the video I have is I link it to YouTube because what, the features on YouTube is a lot better. You can translate to any language you want. Now, number 2 is the upload speed is a lot faster, and then the watching speed is a lot faster. Are you using this platform? Oh my god, upload take forever. Honestly, take forever. No way I can finish my class with that much content. Okay, and number 2 is your watching time is not as smooth as YouTube, so please understand.
Thinkific is a great platform for online courses, but the video loading speed can be slower than YouTube. Also, YouTube can translate subtitles into any language, but Thinkific does not support that feature yet. Recently, Jimmy T found out someone shared the paid course with others. Please understand, I've made this course affordable and easy to learn, spending a lot of time and money to help you succeed. All I ask is for your support. Leave a comment, like and share the free YouTube content. But please, don't share content from the paid section. I truly care about my students and always give you my best, but I also need your help so we can keep growing together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in class.